Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
For today's class, I'm going to teach you all how to make avocado wraps. The ingredients we're using are carb balanced flour tortillas, sliced cucumbers, scrambled eggs, cream cheese, and obviously avocados.
Just sour cream.
Well, we have cream cheese.
It's like almost like a perfect thing.
Yeah, cream cheese is very good for you.
Yeah. Now, before we start, let's see what this week's helper is. All right. First, we grab our tortilla from the bag. Next, we take some cream cheese and spread it on top of our tortilla, like so. Alright, now you. Alright, next we take this. Our scrambled eggs, place them on top, like so. Make a line in the middle. Make a line in the middle of the tortilla. Now you. Alright, hold on. Let's use this. This instead. Next, we take some sliced cucumbers, place them on top of the eggs, like so. That's enough. Your turn. Next, we take our sliced avocados, place them on top of the cucumbers. Now let's see you try. Alright, now we wrap. Grab the tortilla from the bottom. Place it over your ingredients. Roll it all the way to the top. Be careful not to make spill. And just like that, class, you have yourselves a delicious avocado wrap.